Some of you will laugh, but you know I had to. Hey guys, it's Cara from Never Skip Brunch, and today we're doing some more DIY fall decor. So we're gonna make a fabric pumpkin. What I love about this is you can really customize it to exactly fit your space. Okay, before we get started, hit that red subscribe button down below so we can be friends, you can follow all my fun and fresh ideas, and you can check out all my other DIY fall decor projects because I have a bunch and they're all super cute. So I shamelessly love fall, like very stereotypically, like put pumpkin in everything and burn some fall candles. I mean, I love it. You can pry my syrupy pumpkin spice latte out of my cold dead hands. I will frolic in leaf corpses. I will make crafts out of them. I do not care. Fall is the best. Really, I like summer better, but fall is the second best season that there is, and I'm going to enjoy it whether you're on board or not. But I don't like a lot of fall decor because it's kind of like farmhouse farm vibe, and some of it's a little too like, I don't know, like cheesy. But fall decor is just one of those things that I want it to look like I want it to look. So I decided to make my own pumpkin out of this cute houndstooth print. You can make one out of literally any fabric that there is, ever. It can be any color you want, just pick your fabric. All you need is a hot glue gun, some fabric, a pumpkin, and a knife. You also need paint for the top. It's so easy. Okay, let's go make this pumpkin. That is it, super simple. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up down below and hit that red subscribe button because you want to stick around because I have more DIY decor tutorials, interior design tips, all kinds of fun home styling things on my channel, so you want to stay in the loop. If you're a fall hater, leave a comment down below because I want to know what you could possibly hate about fall. I don't think there are any good reasons. I think there's just excuses about why you don't want to love fall because you just don't want to get on the bandwagon with everyone that knows that fall is amazing.